My name is Gopal. I like jalebi very much.
One day he bought some fresh jalebis. He put them in a dish. After a while, he saw flies buzzing over the jalebis.
Dirty flies, go away. Dirty flies, go away. Wow! 7, 8, 1 blow. I am very brave. I am very brave. महल में महाराज पधार रहे हैं. Good morning, Majesty. Good morning. Gopal is a brave boy. Really? Really. He is 7 at 1 blow. Really? 7 at 1 blow. Really. Call the Gopal. Good morning, Your Majesty. Good morning. You are a brave boy. Yes, I did. Really? 7 at 1 blow? Yes, I did. You know cruel giants in a kingdom. The terrible people. Many people tried, but they failed. Yes, I did. The giant only two.
Kill the giant.
Kill the giant.
He was not, but the king and the people had high hopes from him. He touched for a long time. Then he went out in search of the giant. He wandered here and there. He roamed in the mountains and valleys to himself.
I will try. The giant is very few. I will not fight with them.
Gopal throw some stone at the giant and hide behind the tree.
Some stones at them and himself behind a tree. One giant got up and asked on other.
Did you throw a stone at me? No, I didn't. Did you throw a stone at me? No, I didn't.
The giants are fight and killed each other.
Wow, I am brave. I killed the giants. I am very brave. Please give me a rich reward. You are a giant, right? Yes, I did. Really brave boy.
I am very happy.
I am very happy. I am very, very happy.
Okay.
You are a rich reward.